Ventilation mode. Press the power button on the remote controller to activate ventilation mode. Select your desired air volume level by pressing the air volume button. Press the ventilation button to switch to auto ventilation mode. Heater mode. Press the heating button on the remote controller to activate heating mode. Dehumidification mode. Press the dehumidification button on the remote controller to activate dehumidification mode, which operates in warm mode at air volume level 1 by default. Press the dehumidification button again to switch to cool dehumidification mode. To check the temperature mode, look at the icon color on the display panel. Hair and body dry mode. Press the dry button on the remote controller to activate hair and body drying mode, which operates with hot air by default. Press the cold-hot button on the remote controller to switch to cold air. To check the air temperature, look at the icon color on the display panel. Timer. After selecting the desired mode, press the Reservation Plus or Reservation Minus button to set the reservation time. Each mode has different options.